are mirror images, and when we kiss they're perfectly. I have to speculate that God himself did make us into corresponding shapes like puzzle pieces from the clay. True, it may seem like a stretch, but it's thoughts like this that catch my troubled head when you're away and I'm missing you to death. See us waving from such great heights. Calm down now, they'll say, but everything looks perfect from far away. Calm down now, but we'll stay. I tried my best to leave this all on your machine, but the persistent beat, it sounded thin upon the listening end, that frankly will not fly. You will hear the shrillest highs and lowest lows with the windows down when this is guiding you home. They won't see us waving from such great heights. Calm down now, they'll say, but everything looks perfect from far away. Calm down now.